Today, we're taking flight with the brand new DJI Mini 5 Pro, the ultralight, ultra-smart foldable drone that's redefining what beginners and professionals can capture in the sky. Weighing under the regulatory limit and folding small enough to fit in the palm of your hand, the Mini 5 Pro packs serious power into a compact frame. With C0 certification and a highly portable design, this drone is truly made for effortless flying anywhere you go. And with 42 gigabytes of built-in storage, you can record more flights without constantly swapping memory cards. At the heart of the Mini 5 Pro is an upgraded 1-inch CMOS sensor, capable of shooting sharper 4K 60 FPS HDR video. You get sharper detail, richer colors, and smoother footage, whether you're filming landscapes, city shots, or fast-moving action. This camera also supports true vertical shooting, plus a fully flexible 225-degree gimbal rotation, letting you capture dramatic perspectives and social-ready vertical content with just one tap. Safety takes a massive leap forward with the Mini 5 Pro's omnidirectional obstacle sensing system, combining forward LiDAR with advanced vision sensors. Even in low-light scenes or nighttime flights, the drone detects obstacles in every direction, keeping your flight safe and stable. And with a smarter return-to-home system, the Mini 5 Pro confidently finds its way back, even in complex environments. For creators who film movement, the upgraded 360-degree ActiveTrack is a game-changer. Whether you're cycling, hiking, or filming fast action, the drone locks onto your subject with improved precision and smoother tracking paths. This means your shots stay centered, cinematic, and beautifully stable every single time. And with extended flight capabilities, you can stay in the air longer. The intelligent battery gives you up to 36 minutes of flight time, and fast charging lets you power 3 batteries in about 115 minutes, keeping your workflow fast and uninterrupted. From powerful imaging to industry-leading safety, from ultralight portability to next-level tracking, the DJI Mini 5 Pro is shaping up to be one of the most capable compact drones ever made.